In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung account. Keep stopping error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different fixes we can try. So fix number one is to go ahead and open up settings. Then from settings, we want to go ahead and scroll down to apps. Now, once we're inside of apps, we want to click on the little button next to your apps and make sure we need to go ahead and show system apps. So enable that, click OK, and then do a search for Samsung account, then click into Samsung account. Now from here, you want to scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache, go back, and now we need to find permissions. So we need to go ahead and make sure all permissions are enabled. So your location, contacts, camera, and nearby devices. So just go ahead and click on allow while using the app. Just keep going down for all of them, like so. Just got one more to do here, allow. Okay, so now from here, go back and then come back, and then we need to go to our Galaxy store. So search for store, make sure to update it if you haven't. And then once we're inside of store, we need to click on the search button, and then basically at search, type in Samsung account and then hit enter. Then click into Samsung account and then go ahead and click update there as well.